suddenly it have a turn. Jesus, it was actually.
While explaining to me the story, do you watch the lanes? This lane is for left turn.
Yes.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Whoa!
Whoa,
Put the
yeah.
left blinker.
Yes.
So please, put the left blinker.
Okay.
Stop here.
Yeah.
Listen to me. Listen to me carefully.
Yeah.
Alex. Philip,
Yeah.
you cannot change the lanes immediately before the junction. You cannot. You have a double solid lane, it's prohibited.
Yeah.
You cannot change the lanes without checking the mirror. So when you're already at the junction, you fail to change the lane, okay, it's not end of life, stay there. Make the turn. This lane is for left turn only, okay, make the left turn.
Okay. Yeah, I was not right. You're totally right.
You panicked because you saw that you're in the wrong lane and you decided to immediately switch to the right one. Don't do that. If you stay in the left lane and turn left instead, that's okay.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
You didn't do any violation, you just turned left, you didn't obey the direction of the controller, but that's not a reason for failure.
Ние сме Sigma Driving Academy. При нас не просто ще вземете книжка, но ще се научите как да сте безопасни и уверени на пътя.